What's up, everybody? What up? What up? Good to see you guys. Can you hear me out there? Can you see me? Let me see. I'm gonna get you guys the link right now. What's up? What's up? Here we go. Yeah. Alrighty, there we go. Sorry, I'm a little behind. All right, what's up? Good morning, everybody. All right, let's jump straight in. Here we go. I already told you. Here's the pullback on Tesla. So let's go ahead and mark out our pre-market low. There wasn't too much movement in Tesla on the lows. Pre-market high. Or be, I'm assuming the orb is gonna be somewhere down there. The green, here's a good bounce. Good morning, everybody. What's up? What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? Right now, well, again, we don't trade the first 15 minutes. Let me scoot over, hopefully. There we go. So it doesn't get blurry. There we are. Sorry, just get the framing right. Yeah, there we go. All right, cool. Yep, Tesla is struggling. I knew that was gonna happen. 15-minute ORB though, guys. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. It's gonna be a top. Bottom. Let's see if it keeps going. Woo! Tesla, my boy. All right, let me know where you guys are tuning in from. I got 3 of you guys on right now. What's up? What's up? I feel like we're gonna print today, baby. And we're gonna do that by some puts. What I'm gonna do though, let's take a look at our 4-hour chart. Okay, so this green chart, we do have a bounce point at this green line that I already marked. So if we pass that and we pass it successfully, then we may be off to the races on a downtrend. Now, what we could also possibly see is maybe just a bounce and then a bounce back up. But we're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient. What's up? What's up, guys? 47. What's up, Nathan? Good to see you guys. All right, let's jump back down to our 15-minute. Let's check some other stocks. What's ASML doing? Oh yeah, they're going down again. You know what? ASML, if it bounces, if it hits this blue line, I'll probably get in as well. Yesterday I could have had a really good swing. I kind of missed out though. Let's mark our 15-minute candle high and low. Yeah, I missed out on a big trade yesterday. with this one because I sold early. It's all good. It is all good. SPY is actually up, but it's struggling as well. It's struggling to stay at the 700 mark. Although I am noticing that it's actually doing pretty well right now. So 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. Tesla is getting hammered this morning. Told you guys it's gonna be a sell-off. I was expecting a sell-off and then a boost later towards the day. So we shall see what happens. Let's load in which options we're gonna do. So let's go to Tesla, and if we do puts, we are going to do, so they don't have any 0 DTE, but they do have April 17th. So I think I am going to do a 3. I think I'm gonna do a 380 put. I think I'm gonna do, let's do 380 put. And if we hit the upside, we'll do a 400 call. Or we'll do a 395 call. That's good. $395 call or 380 put. Alrighty. So those are the ones that I marked out right now. And we're still pushing down. Alright. Give me one quick second, guys. I just need to go blow my nose. 1 second. Got a little allergies going on. So I'm just going to transition real fast. Yes, for Tesla. Be right back. 1 second. All right, y'all. I am back. Sorry, I just had to go blow my nose. Use the restroom real quick. Alrighty. We back. For Tesla, we are ready to rock and roll. Right now, let's check back on TradingView. Or be topped marked or be low as marked. Remember, we don't trade this chop. What it wants to do is chop. It's probably going to consolidate for a little bit. It's probably just going to hit in this range. Nathan, that's why you should, I don't know if you saw my video in the chat yesterday. You guys start simulation trading. There's no strings attached on that. So with Charles Schwab, set up your account, go on to Thinkorswim, they give you $200 of paper money, so it's fake money, and that's gonna help boost your confidence, man. So that's what I recommended yesterday. I always recommend sim trading before getting in with your own money, just to be safe. Just to be safe. All right, so Tesla's chopping right now. Not too worried. First candle's done, so we already got our first candle marked out. I did have a bounce here yesterday. It looks like 10:15 we had a bounce here, so that could be useful. And it looks like we had a bounce yesterday, or a rejection at the ORB top at yesterday's market towards the end of the day. But we are having heavy sellers today. Heavy sellers so far, at least. We are officially in our window to trade. However, we do not trade until we push past our candles. Good morning, Tyler. What's up, y'all? I see you guys. Got a bunch of you guys on today. It's gonna be cool. Gonna be cool. And I just ended up buying the Discord Premium. So who knows? I may be able to go live on Discord soon as well. So that might be better than YouTube. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, highly recommend Schwab. Highly recommend you sim trade, so that way you boost your confidence even more. That's gonna be key. All right, cool. Let me just see this real quick, guys. I'm gonna switch my chart real fast. Excuse me. I just want to see. Okay, so the London session already. No lag. What do you mean, Tyler? No lag? With Discord. I don't think so. Yeah, I think Discord would be a lot smoother. So we shall see. I mean, honestly, with YouTube, it's only like 3 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds of lag. But I mean, in live trading, that's still gonna make a difference. So, all right, here we go, guys. We're pushing past. Feel free to ask any questions you guys have as well. Right now, we're coming up on that ORB low. We're looking at our VWAP. Ooh, ASML is down 3%. Let's see if I take a swing on ASML. That put 14. Let's see if I take a swing on that. If not, I may be able to catch it. On the upswing. But let's go back to Tesla. Let's watch Tesla. All right. It hit our first bounce point from yesterday. We passed the first bounce point. We're not taking the trade until it passes the opening range 15-minute candle. We've been consistent with that. We've been doing good with that. Alrighty. Man, I woke up with allergies today, guys. I'm getting a lot of I'm clogged up. I don't feel sick at all. I just feel, it feels like allergies for some reason. Maybe I had the AC kicking too much. I be keeping my AC low, guys. It's be at like 66, which is actually kind of bad for the AC unit. All right, let's see. Our VWAP is still down. We're definitely in a downtrend, but as much as I would love to jump in, trust me, I would love to jump in right now. I need to see it break. I need to see it break the candle pattern, which we are coming up on it. So we may be looking for some puts. And if that's the case, I may change, just to help you guys out as well, even myself, I may change the put from a 380 put. Let's go to a 375 put. It's a little cheaper. Let's go 375 put. I just changed it for you guys because I'm looking at the price of the 380 put. It's already $3. I want to be able to help get you guys in. So the put for 375 is $1.76. So that way we can get you guys some contracts there. 182 right now. What's SPY doing? SPY's not really doing much right now. Oh, actually, we have a push to the downside, fellas. And if we end up going under, then maybe we'll flip to some SPY. Okay, Tesla is getting ready to push past the ORB. It is tickling the ORB right now, and I think it's going to pass it. So let's get ready, guys. We're not going to rush, but as soon as we pass this ORB, I think it might be off to the races because this is going to be a valuable point. What's up, everybody? Got 6 of you guys watching. So excited to have you guys on. We're live trading right now. I know this is probably a boring part. This is the boring part of the trading. However, we stick to our rules. We are in our trading window, meaning we don't trade until 6:45, and we're just watching for our pattern. We either get a retest of the VWAP or we get a breakout. When we mainly do trade the breakout. Yes, Thinkorswim is its own app. It's just ran through Charles Schwab. So you have to physically go on Google and type in Thinkorswim. All right, we're coming up on that 15 minute low. Let's see what the 5-minute chart's doing. Let's see what the 1-minute chart is doing. Chopping. We did see a bounce. Excuse me. Sorry for coughing on here, guys. So again, to help you guys out with pricing, we did a 375 put. Once we pass that ORB, we're gonna watch for the retest, and it looks like we're about to push past it right now on the 1-minute chart. As soon as we pass it, we're gonna be in game, and we did pass it. Alrighty, now we are looking to buy. We're not going to buy, but we're looking to buy. I think I will put a limit order. Let's put a limit order, guys, for the Tesla 375 put. Let's do what do we want to do? It's at 236 right now. Let's wait for a pullback. There we are. Not a huge pullback, but there is some type of pullback. Let's do 230 for now. Let's put it at 230. And let's see if we're able to capture that. Okay, we're in. It accepted us. We got in at 2:30. Okay, we're watching right now, so we're already in the trade. Right now we're down. Yes and no. Yes and no. I'll get back to your question in a little bit, Nathan, for sure. But short answer, yes. Some answers, no, just because each stock is going to be different. All right, guys, we're up right now. I'm not seeing a huge push down, which I would have wished to see more of. So this may be a quick trade. All right, we're at 10% right now. We're at 14%. 15%. Okay. We're still up right now. We're just watching it, guys. We're just watching it. I did say that we were probably going to see, look at SPY's down. I did say we were probably going to see a red day today. Still not really seeing the push I would have hoped for, but it is moving. Let's check our chart. That is a key zone, but we did just pass it. We did just pass it. But I could have maybe did a better job at catching that. Are you guys in the trade with me? Let me know if you're in the trade with me right now. Right now we're waiting. We're at plus 6%. We're doing well so far. We're at 4%. Kind of waiting for the stock to consolidate a little bit. There we go. All right, so now we're actually getting a swing in the other direction, which if it hits our stop loss, then we will get out. Excuse me. We're watching right now. We're watching right now. Right now we're down 4%. Not too worried. All right, at 15%, we're gonna get out if it hits our stop loss at 15%. We did just push past the ORB in the upwards direction. So at 15%, I'm gonna pull out. It is what it is on this one, guys. That's if it hits our stop loss. It hasn't hit yet. I'm at 13% right now. All right. It hit our stop loss, so let's get out. Yep. Hold on. Edit. We sold yet, but we're gonna get out right now. I'll let you guys know. I'm starting to see a swing down, but let me see. I am. It is hitting my stop loss, so. All right, yeah, we're out, guys. It is what it is. All good. Can't win them all. All right. That's frustrating, Tesla. It reversed on us. We were the liquidity today. That's why you guys don't take big positions, guys. Even though I did have some big positions on that one. Yesterday's gains probably were wiped out, which is fine. We'll get it back. Let's see what else we could get. All good, guys. There's like I mentioned, there's some losses in this stuff. Excuse me. Man, watch Tesla go back down now. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we're still seeing a lot of seller activity. I think that might have been manipulation on that point. I feel like we're gonna pass the ORB again. All right, we're still watching, guys. Trying to see what other we could jump in at. Where's the SPY at? SPY is at 3% or 0.3, 0.4. SPY is steadily creeping. Maybe we'll do a SPY 700 call. All right, we are getting some buyers stepping in on Tesla. So we're down 18% today, guys. It went a little past my stop loss. But we're gonna get back in right now into a good trade, not a random trade. Gonna be a good trade. right, maybe we jump into some Tesla calls. I should have saw that. I should have saw that. That was a bounce point that I marked off. I should have saw that, guys. All right, are you guys in trades right now, or are you guys pulled out waiting again? All right, let's jump into a call. I can only buy one. Let's buy a call, 395 call at 240. Actually, 235. Let's see if we can get in at 235. 240. We'll do 240. We're swinging back the other way. If we can get it, we can get it. If not, totally okay. All right, it accepted us at 240. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna swing the other way. Yep, maybe another loss. If that's the case, we just getting manipulated today. 15% stop loss. So if it hits 15, we're out. Watch it break down again. I'll just laugh because technically we just hit our stop loss, so we're gonna get out. You win some, you lose some, guys. Today was not a winning day. Today was not a winning day. It is all good. We're still up 100%. I'm gonna see what trades I can take in my Roth later. We're gonna come back to it. All good. Like I said, guys, you win some, you lose some. Unfortunately, I did have some bigger positions today, so we did take a little bigger of a loss on my end. But this is why I'm not loading up my account right now, because the stock can go anyway right now. So one day though. I mean, honestly, one day that we had a loss, which was today, out of the whole week. Yeah, part of the learning experience. It's always going to be a part of the experience. You're always going to take a loss at some point. For me, we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday where we won. and today Thursday, where we struggle a little bit. For me, one day out of 4 days so far is really good. So I am totally okay with it. That's so funny, dude. I just got liquidated. That's hilarious. And it went back up to my price point. What is ASML doing? It just bounced. That's such a weird candle. Like, you go down and you break the ORB, and there's still high seller activity, but you're going up, and it just doesn't make sense. We're still watching the chart, guys. Took a trade in our Roth for a put at 160 for the 375 puts. We bought it at 165. It does. Man, it's in such a weird state right now. Like, not a lot of money is moving right now. But it does look like it wants to break towards the downside. I know it keeps wanting to go, but I know them buyers don't want it to go down because they had such a massive jump yesterday. I know they don't want to lose that. be fighting hard. Those buyers be fighting hard right now. And this price action is doing nothing. If anything, I feel like it's gonna go back up now. Yeah, you gotta have your stop loss, bro. That's why we're out. That's why I'm out. And I re-entered at a different point. You gotta save your capital, Brody. Save your capital. That's why I try. That's why risk management. I try not to go too heavy on the trades, even though I did have some heavy puts or some heavy contracts today. I put multiple contracts. But if you're willing to risk that, then you have to be You have to be willing to lose it. So, but yeah, man. Hopefully, you pull out at some point, because you just gotta be careful with your stop loss. Man, this is such an ugly chart. What is Tesla doing right now? Yeah, Tesla's wilding out. I was up $200. Now I'm down. Now I'm at zero. Yeah, just be careful, Robert, because sometimes you won't get the pullback you want that you're looking for. Tesla, honestly, dude, I'm very frustrated today with this chart. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm at the point where I'm just ready to just close it up for the day. I'm ready to just exit this trade already. I don't even care anymore. Tesla's literally just floating between point of a percentage and coming back. It's coming here and coming back. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it for the day. I'm just gonna sell it. It is what it is. All right, guys. Like I said, we took an L today. Last night took an L, but today we bounced back. Tomorrow we're gonna bounce back from this. Such an ugly chart, honestly. We followed our parameters, and you know what I will say. No, it hit our retest. We came back and retested, and it went down, and then we had a reversal. So, kind of disappointed in today's trade, but that's how it goes, guys. So, we'll talk soon. I'll see you guys soon, and we'll follow up in the Discord. All right, guys. Peace.